Hello, welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how to change your location on Facebook Marketplace. So here we are. I have Facebook open to make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Couple of ways you can get to Marketplace. You can just tap on the Marketplace option there on the bar at the bottom, or you can go to your menu, the hamburger icon with the 3 lines there, and you can just find a Marketplace that way by just finding all the different options and then tapping into Marketplace. Once we're here, you're going to see the feed of Marketplace as to what it's showing you here. And then if we see at the very top there, right-hand corner, you're going to see that mine is set to Gainesville, Georgia. That's the location with the map pin. If we tap on that blue text or blue link there, we're going to see a map come available to us and a couple of options. Now, the first way that you can change the location is tap into the Search by City option at the top of the page and start typing in the city that you want to change to. So for me, if I want to change it to Braselton, Georgia, I can type in or start typing in and then tap on that option there, and it'll automatically change the map to be the area surrounding Braselton, Georgia. Now, how do you kind of fine-tune this? Once you find the location and you change it, the 2 options below is Suggested Local Radius, which gives you listings from a general area around that location. Or if we want to tap into Custom Local Radius, we can drag this slider here to increase or decrease by going to the right to increase, left to decrease the amount of miles around a specific area. So if I only want this to be, say, 15 miles around my designated living area or location, I can do that and then tap the blue apply button there. And now, whenever I come in, you can see that the location is changed to Braselton, Georgia, as opposed to my initial settings. So again, if I ever want to change that again, I tap into the blue text and I go and search. Or another option you can do is tap and hold the dot there on the map. You can kind of pinch to zoom in or zoom out of the map. And I can actually tap that and I can drag the map anywhere. So let's say I want to go up to Chattanooga here. I can do the area there, and you can see my radius stays the same, but I can always increase that by dragging the slider there if I have custom local radius. But a lot of people just tap into suggested local radius to let Facebook choose the things and kind of optimize around the designated area. That's it. That's how you change your location. Make sure you tap apply before you leave. That way, when you come back next time, the location will be applied. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.